Tika the black heart man, children. I said don't go near him. Tika the black heart man, children. Or even lions fear him. Tika the black heart man, little children. I said don't go near him. Tika the black heart man, children. Or even lions fear him. Growing in a neighborhood for such a long time that is filled with fear. I can't go here, can't go there, and I ain't supposed to go anywhere at all. When I asked my mom if she could let me go out and play like little children do, she said be careful of the stranger, giving candies to children and then take them away. He lives in the gullies of the city. The black heart man, y'all. The black heart man. Even in the lonely parts of the country, you find the black heart man, y'all. The black heart man. He ain't got no friend, no home, no family. He's the black heart man, y'all. That's the black heart man. He is famed to live just like a gypsy. He's the black heart man, yeah. Growing and learning and gathering for myself a little more experience, jumping over the fence. Curiosity has brought me, yes, it brought me a little common sense, yeah. Prodding the road of life, I've come to this one conclusion, that everything is equal under the sun. All that is created by the mighty hand, yeah. And he said knock and it shall be open, seek and ye shall find. Wisdom is found in the simplest place, in the nick of time. Knock and it shall be open, seek and ye shall find. Wisdom is found in the simplest of places, in the nick of time. Now I trod the same road of affliction, just like the black heart man, just like the black heart man. Getting my share of humiliation, just like the black heart man, y'all. Black heart man. You find me in the prisons or the dungeon, just like the black heart man, yeah. The black heart man. I even get played without a reason, just like the black heart man, just like the black heart man, y'all.
The good for the post by and say, humble yourself, my little one. Humble yourself, my children. Humble yourself. Oh, my brother, oh, and love universal. Love in Africa, love in America, love in Canada. Wadada, whoa, wadada, 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 whoa, wadada. Every knee shall bend, shall be. Every tongue shall take. Down in this valley, down in this valley, down in this valley of Jawasifa. Where is your love, Jamaica? Where is your love, Jamaica? Where is your love, Jamaica? I can see your love, I can feel your love, I even touch your love. I don't know about your love. Taught them the way to love one another. Wadada, whoa, wadada, who higher than I need. Wadada, whoa, wadada, black Indian spirit. Wadada, even within I'm on black race. Wadada, no plague shall come upon I play. Keep them away, wadada. Keep them away, wadada. Wadada, black wadada. Provide for Riot. Wadada, wadada. Food, clothes and shelter. Grant unto I my heart desire. Each and every one entitled to the heart desire.
Battering down sentence, fighting against conviction, yeah. Battering down sentence, fighting against conviction. I find myself growing in an environment where finding food is just as hard as paying the rent. In trotting these roads of trial and tribulation, I've seen where some have died in desperation to keep battering down Satan, fighting against conviction. Battering down sentence, fighting against conviction. In a family of 10 and raised in the ghetto, hustling's the only education I know. Can't grow no crops in this concrete jungle. A situation like this is getting too tough to handle to keep battering down sentence, fighting against conviction, battering down sentence all day long, fighting against conviction. With a pregnant woman, yes, and 5 kids to care for, can't cool my heels, I've got to do the town. Skillful as I am, the jailer man is bound to find me. I pray the day will come I shall be free from battering down sentence, fighting against conviction, battering down sentence, all live long day, fighting against conviction. To be trapped and caught and taken before judge and angry jury, pleading before men who seem to have no mercy, can't afford to find myself down in the dungeon. I've got to stay free so that my kids won't be battering down sentence, fighting against conviction, battering down sentence, all live long day now, fighting against conviction. Now a fugitive at large, could this be my destiny? With no one to care for the welfare of my family. In solitude I found new faith and hope, in this I'll be secure. For mind and soul would soon be weary, just couldn't take no more. Battering down sentence, all live long day, fighting against conviction. Children, hear me when I say battering down sentence, all day long, fighting against conviction. Hear me when I sing my song, battering down sentence.
Yes, the fittest of the fittest of the fittest of the fittest. The fittest of the fittest of the fittest of the fittest. No on a road runner, no on a road runner, road runner. No on a road runner, no on a road runner. Remember His Majesty to be faithful. It's the fittest of the fittest of the fittest of the fittest. And gay people of Castron to be faithful. It's the fitness of your fitness of your fitness of your fitness. It's the fittest of the fittest of the fittest of the fittest. My heart is clean and pure, so clean and pure, so clean and pure. To be fitties of the fitties of the fitties. The fitness of your fitness of the fitness. The fitness of the fitness of the fitness of the fitness of the fitness.
destruction the only solution. Hey, there ain't no use, no one can stop them now. Hey, there ain't no use, no one can stop them now. Hey, give them an inch, they take a yard. Give them a yard, they take a mile. Once a man and twice a child. Yes, everything is for a while. Well, it seems like total destruction the only solution. Hey, there ain't no use, no one can stop them now. Oh yes, ain't no use, no one can stop them now. Hey, ain't no use, no one can stop them now. Yes, there ain't no use, no one can stop them now. Hey, check out the real situation, yeah now. Nation a war against nation. Where did it all begin? Hey, and where will it end? Well, it seems like total destruction the only solution. Hey, and there ain't no use, no one can stop them now. Hey, ain't no use, no one can stop them now. There ain't no use, no one can stop them now. Hey, ain't no use, no one can stop them now. Hey, give them a inch, they take a yard. They take a yard, a yard, they take a mile. Check out the real situation. Nation a war against nation. Well, it seems like total destruction the only solution. Hey,
fire down below, fire down below, and the people them running around, and the people them running around. All who not sleep will get a cup of tea. All who not sleep will get a cup of tea. Have a little tea bag, short and stout. This is my hunger, and this is my sprout. And when I get my tea in, then I will shout. You got to tip it over the people, then you pour it out. A little fire down below. A little fire down below. Yeah, man. Down below, fire down below, and the people them are running around, and the people them are running around. Are you not sleep? We'll get a cup of tea. All who not sleep will get a cup of tea. Have a little tea bag, short and stout. This is my hunger, and this is my sprout. And when I get my tea in, then I will shout. You got to tip it over the people, then you pour it out. And then a fire down below. So fire down below. Fireman,
Waterman, fireman, waterman, too good man, too close man. The fireman a go down below, waterman a run with him hose. The fireman a go down below, the waterman a run with him hose. Fireman, the waterman, a too good man, too close man. The fireman a go down.
We'll be forever loving Jah, Jah Rastafari. We'll be forever loving Jah, Haile Selassie. We'll be forever loving Jah, the omnipotent I. We'll be forever loving Jah. Someday say see them walking up the street. They say we're going wrong to all the people that we meet, but we won't worry, we won't shed no tears, 'cause we have found a way to cast away our fears. Saying now, we'll be forever loving Jah, Jah Rastafari. We'll be forever loving Jah, Haile Selassie. We'll be forever loving Jah, forever and ever. Yeah. So old Jordan River shall rescue me, 'cause I've got the running stream of love, you see. So no matter what stages they put us through, we'll never give in. And no matter what rages they put us through, we'll never be blue, 'cause we've got Jah on our side. We'll be forever loving Jah, Jah Rastafari. We'll be forever loving Jah, Haile Selassie. We'll be forever loving Jah forever and ever. 'Cause there is no end praising Jah, 'cause only a fool will lean upon his own misunderstanding. Yeah. And what has been hidden from the wise and the prudent has been revealed to babes and suckling. In everything, in every way, I say, yeah, we'll be forever loving Jah, Jah Rastafari. We'll be forever loving Jah, Haile Selassie. We'll be forever loving Jah, the power of the Trinity. Yeah. 'Cause just like a tree planted by the rivers of water that bring it forth fruit in its season, in everything in life, it's got a purpose and it has got a reason in every season. That's why I say we'll be forever loving Jah, Jah Rastafari. We'll be forever loving Jah, Haile Selassie. We'll be forever loving Jah. Meet me at the bank of the beautiful river. Meet me at the bank of the beautiful river. In your journey, I say, right over there, right over there. Ice green and gold, it's the rainbow. Ice green and gold, it's
from the king, the lion from the king. In Addis Ababa. It's the rainbow. Ice green and gold, it's the rainbow. Meet me at the bank of the beautiful river. Meet me at the bank of the beautiful river. Right over there. Right over there.
Africa, unite. We're moving right out of Babylon, and we're moving on to our father's land. Hey. How good and how pleasant it would be before Jah and man, yeah, to see the unification of all Africans, yeah, as it's been written already, so let it be done. We are the children of the Rastaman, yeah. We are the children of the I am man, yeah. Africa unite, Africa unite, Africa unite. 'Cause we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're moving on to our father's land, yeah. How good and how pleasant it would be before Jah and man, yeah, to see the unification of all Africans, yeah, as it's been said already, so let it be done, yeah. I tell you who we are under the sun. We are the children of the Rastaman, yeah. We are the children of the I one. Hey, Africa unite, unite for the benefit of your children. Africa unite, unite 'cause it's better than you think. Africa unite, unite for the benefit of your people. Africa unite, unite 'cause it's better than you think. Africa unite, Africa awaits its creator.
Remember the days of slavery? Do you remember the days of slavery?
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Do you remember the days of slavery?
And the people. The work was so hard.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
And they used us.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Till they refuse us.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Do you remember the days of slavery?
The big fat boat. We usually pull it, we pull confess to.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Some of us survive.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Showing them that we are still alive.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Do you remember the days of slavery?
History can recall. History can recall.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
History can recall the days of slavery.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Oh, slavery days.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Oh, slavery days.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Try and remember. Please remember.
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Do you, do you, do you, do you, do you, do you?
Do you remember the days of slavery?
Oh,
It's the Rastaman vibration. Live if you wanna live. Rastaman vibration, yeah. Positive. That's what we got to give. I and I vibration, yeah. Positive. That you have a good vibe. I am man vibration, yeah. Irie Heights. Positive vibration, yeah. Positive. If you get down and you quarrel every day, you'll be saying prayers to the devil, I say. Why not help one another on the way? Make it much easier. Say you just can't live that negative way. If you know what I mean, make way for the positive day. Cause it's news and days, new time, and it's a new feeling.
Hey,
New sign, oh, what a new day. Hey, are you picking up now? Are you picking up now? Hey, Jah love, protect us. Jah love, protect us. Jah love, protect us. Rastaman vibration, yeah. Positive. Live if you wanna live. I and I vibration, yeah. Positive. That's what we got to give. I am man vibration, yeah. Irie Heights. That you have a good vibe. Positive vibration, yeah. Positive. Are you picking up now? 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 Jah love, protect us. Jah love, protect us. Rastaman vibration, yeah. Positive. Live if you wanna live. I and I vibration, yeah. Positive. That's what we got to give. I am man, iration, yeah. Irie Heights. That you have a good vibe. Positive vibration, yeah. Positive. Jah love, protect us. Jah love.
this God shall not enter this arena. It is a shall enter. Is the son of Eve from Bozran? With his garments steeped in blood. All I know is that Jordan River go
oh, Jordan River,
I go roll, I go roll, I go roll.
Jordan River, I go roll.
Let it roll, must roll. Jordan River, I go roll. Jordan
Rasta dreadlock in a Babylon. A Rasta dreadlock. Roots, Rasta, roots, Rasta. A Rasta dreadlock. When I forward over to London town. A Rasta dreadlock. And then I take another flight to Hong Kong town. Rasta dreadlock. And then I traveled up to America. A Rasta dreadlock. And then I took a little trip over to Canada. A Rasta dreadlock. Rasta dreadlock trot from Jamaica. A Rasta dreadlock. Trotting on to Africa. Rasta dreadlock. Rasta dreadlock in Italy. A Rasta dreadlock. Rasta dreadlock in Germany. A Rasta dreadlock. Dread, Rasta dread now. A Rasta dreadlocks. Dreadlock Congo Bongo I. A Rasta dreadlocks. Rasta 21,000 miles away from home. Oh, Rasta dreadlock. And that's a long way for Rasta to be from home. Don't care what the world say. A Rasta dreadlocks. I never will go astray. A Rasta dreadlocks. Just like a bright and sunny day. A Rasta dreadlocks. I gonna have things I way. Rasta dreadlock. Rasta dreadlock in a Babylon. A Rasta dreadlocks. Roots, Rasta, roots, Rasta. A Rasta dreadlocks. Children get your culture. Say Rasta dreadlocks. And don't stay there and just a Rasta dreadlocks. Cause the battle will be hotter. Rasta dreadlocks. And you won't get no supper. A Rasta dreadlocks. So let me say dread, Rasta dread now. Rasta dreadlocks. Dreadlock Congo Bongo I. A Rasta dreadlock. Rasta dreadlock in a Babylon. A Rasta dreadlock. Roots, Rasta.
No one remember old Marcus Garvey. 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 No one remember him. No one. Talking about Paul Booker. They've been talking about William Gardner. They've been talking about Norman Washington Manley, including Buster Manley. No one remember old Marcus Garvey. No one remember old Marcus Garvey. Feinstein, John the Baptist, Edward Cutter. We get away into Osasa. Still the disciples of our Lord, believe me, yes, there's done it today. No one remember old Marcus Garvey. No one remember old Marcus Garvey. This is the right way. This way is the right way. This way is the right way. All we got to do is let true black love arise and hatred scatter. Even melt off out the fire like the wax. Yes. No one remember old Marcus Garvey. No one remember old Marcus Garvey. Children, 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 humble yourself and become one day somehow. You will remember him, you will. No one remember old Marcus Garvey. No one remember old Marcus Garvey. No one remember him. Garvey so yet young. Garvey so yet who older than Garvey. Garvey so yet young. Who younger than Garvey. They been talking about Paul Bogle. They been talking about William Gordon. They been talking about Norman Washington Manley, including Custer Martin. John the Baptist said we're cut off, put it away into a saucer. Stephen disciples have our Lord. They stoned him to death, to death. No one remember old Marcus Garvey. No one remember old Marcus Garvey.
Nobody can business. Hey, you are go tired to see me face. Oh yeah, 'cause you can't get me out of the race. Oh yeah, oh man, I said I'm in a play. Oh yeah, and then you draw back card. But make you draw back card, and then you draw back card. Propaganda spreading over my name. Oh, said you wanna bring another life to shame. Oh yeah, oh man, you just a playing a game. Oh yeah, and then you draw back card. Ooh, but make you draw back card. You always draw back card. Hey, I want to disturb my neighbor, 'cause I'm feeling so right. I want to turn up my disco, 'cause there's a neighborhood watch tonight. Now in a gangsta style, in a rubber dub style, in a gangsta style, in a rubber dub style. 'Cause the God of the valley is so majestic in a militancy. 'Cause the God of the valley is so realistic in his imperial majesty. Hey, them a go tired to see me face. Oh yeah, said them can't get me out of the race. Oh yeah, oh Jack, it's just a big disgrace. Oh yeah, hey, the way them draw back card. The way you make wrong move, the way you draw back card. What make you draw back card? You always draw back card. In a the gangsta style, hey, in a rubber dub style, in a rubber dub style, hey, in a the gangsta style, yo. Propaganda spreading over my name. Oh, say they wanna bring another life to shame. Oh yeah, oh Jack, them just a playing the game. Hey, and then them draw back card. Oh, but make you draw back card. But make you draw back card. In a gangsta style, hey, and in a rubber dub style, yo. In a gangsta style, ooh, in a rubber dub style, but make you draw back card. You shouldn't draw back card.
Marcus Garvey words come to pass. Marcus Garvey words come to pass. Can't get no food to eat. Can't get no money to spend. Oh, can't get no food to eat. Can't get no money to spend. Oh, come little one, oh, let me do what I can for you. And you, hello. come. Oh, let me do what I can for you and you alone. Oh, you know the right hand to ignite shall be spanked with many stripes. Weeping and wailing and mourning, you got yourself to blame. I tell you, the right, 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 the right. I beg you, oh, tell you to do right. Beg you to do right. Whoa. Where is Bagoyle? He's nowhere around. He can't be found. First betrayer who gave away Marcus Garvey, son of Satan. First prophecy, catch them Garvey. Oh, hold them Marcus, hold them. Prophecy fulfilled. Whoa, catch them, Garvey, catch them. Hold them, Marcus, hold them. Oh,
I lost the bongo. Dreadlock bongo, aye. Hey, now it's a black man redemption. Oh, yeah. It's a black man redemption. Oh, yeah. And it's no need, no need, no need to get jumpy. And it's no need, no need, no need to get bumpy. No need, no need, no need to get grumpy. And it's no need, no need, no need to get crampy. Using singing now, cool runnings. Can you dig it? Cool runnings. One more time, yeah. Cool runnings. Do you love it? Cool runnings. Spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out. Hey, a black man redemption. Can you dig it? Oh, yeah. It's a black man redemption. Can you stop it? Oh, yeah. Coming from the root of David, to the line of Solomon, to his imperial majesty. He's the power of the Trinity. Spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out, spread out. Hey, and redemption. Can you dig it? Oh yo, a black man redemption. Oh yo.
Mix up, a whole heap of bed up, and happy straighten out. Christopher Columbus is a jam blasted lion. Christopher Columbus is a jam blasted lion. Yes, John. From home, I and I longing to go home. Within a red, green and gold robe. Come on, 12 tribe of Israel. Come on, 12 tribe of Israel. What a jam down lanya. A whole heap of mix up. A whole heap of bed up. Come on, 12 tribe of Israel. Come on, 12 tribe of Israel. Yes, Jah. Christopher Columbus is a jam blasted lion. Christopher Columbus is a jam blasted lion. Yes, Jah. He's a lion. Yes, Jah. He's a lion. Yes, Jah. Yes, Jah.
Play us some music. This is reggae music. Play us some music. This is reggae music. Roots rock reggae. This is reggae music. Rock reggae, this is the reggae music. Hey, Mr. Music, you sure sound good to me, and I can't refuse it. 'Cause want to be, got to be. Ooh, I said I feel like skanking. Come on, skank with me. Ooh, I said I feel like dancing. Dance 'cause we are free. Reggae music, roots rock reggae. This your reggae music. Play us some music. This your reggae music. Play on the R&B. I want all my people to see. Bubbling on the top 100, just like a mighty wave. Roots rock reggae. music. This your reggae music. Reggae, reggae. I want you to play me. Reggae, reggae. Hey. I want you to move me. Reggae, reggae. Hey. I want to dance to this your music. Reggae, reggae. Hey, yeah. Hey. Play us some music. This is your reggae music. Play us some music. This is your reggae music. Hey, Mr. Music, you sure sound good to me. And I can't refuse it. Come want to be, got to be. I feel like dancing. Dance cause you are free. You feel like skanking. And come on, skank with me. Roots, rock, reggae, yeah. This is your reggae music. Roots, rock, reggae, yeah. This is your reggae music. And this is your reggae music. Oh yeah, the reggae music.
Since I come here, and all I can say is hear them say, wow, wow, why, wow, wow, why, rook, rook, rook. Using my brothers and my sisters. I wonder why. Using my brothers and my sisters. I wonder why. Hear them say, wow, wow, why, wow, wow, why, rook, rook, rook. Hear them, wow, wow, why, wow, wow, why, rook, rook, rook. It was a helping and ja-ja. Wow, wow, why, wow, wow, why, rook, rook, rook. Oh, feel so sad, so sad. Feel like say hello. But if I should, they would have me tied down. All I can say is rook, rook, rook. All I can say, wow, wow, why, wow, wow, why, rook, rook, rook. Cha-cha. Wow, wow, why, wow, wow, why, rook, rook, rook. Give us a helping hand. Wow, wow, why, wow, wow.
of oppression. Whoa, whoa. Don't make my life a prison. Cause we come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We free the people with music. We free the people with music. We free the people with music. With music, oh music. Oh Jah, my head, my head. In desolate places I seek my bread. Seek my bread. Oh, and everyone can see what is taking place. Oh, oh, another page in history. Cause we come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We free the people with music. We free the people with music. We free the people with music. With music, oh music. They make it so hard for us to speak. Oh, they feel so strong to say we are weak. But through your eyes and the love of the people, whoa, whoa, they just got to pay. Cause we come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We come from Trenchtown, and we free the people with music. We free the people with music. We free the people with music. With music, oh music, oh music. Up a Cane River to wash my dread. Ooh, ooh. Up on a rock stone, I lay my head, my head, my head. There I vision through the seas of oppression. Whoa, whoa. Please don't make my life a prison. Cause we come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We come from Trenchtown, 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 Trenchtown. Not because we come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown. Just because we come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown. Still because we come from Trenchtown, Trenchtown. We are the don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Hey, hey, I tell you don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Ooh, ooh. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds sit by my doorstep, singing sweet, sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Ooh, this is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh yeah, singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh yes, rise up this morning, smile with the falling rain. Three little birds bed by my window, singing sweet, sweet melodies. Oh, so pure and true. This is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh yeah, singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the blowing wind. Three little birds sit by my doorstep, singing so sweet a song, melodies pure and true. This is my message to you. Feel it in the one drop, and we still find time to rock. We making the one star. The generation gap. Now feel this jumpy as it meets within, playing the rhythm, resisting against the system. Hey. I know y'all never let us down, whether we're right from wrong. I know y'all never let us down. Oh no, oh no. They made their world so hard. Every day we got to keep on fighting. They made their world so hard. Every day the people are dying. Hey, from hunger and starvation. A pure lamentation. Made it in the revelation. There you find your redemption. It was a teaching of His Imperial Majesty. For we no want no devil philosophy. Hey, it was a teaching of His Imperial Majesty. For we no want no devil philosophy. Feel it in the one drop, and we still find time to rock. Feel it in the one stop. Hey. The generation gap. Now feel that zombie as it meets within, playing the rhythm. Alright, resisting against the system. Hey. I know y'all never let us down, whether we're right from wrong. I know y'all never let us down. Oh no, oh no. They made their work so hard. Every day we got to keep on fighting. They made their work so hard. Every day the people are dying. From hunger and starvation. A pure lamentation. Read it in the revelation. There you find your redemption. It was a teaching of His Imperial Majesty. For we no want no devil philosophy. Hey, it was a teaching of His Imperial Majesty. For we no want no devil philosophy. Feel it in the one drop. Hey. And man to man is so unjust. You don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, or your best friend, your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you. Then behind them, susu on you now. Only your friend know your secret, so only he can reveal it. And who the captain, let them wear it. And who the captain, let them wear it. I said me throw me call, but me no call about. I'm saying cup, cluck, cluck. Some will hate you and pretend they love you now. Then behind they try to eliminate you. But who you blame? Let no man curse. Give thanks to Jah. I and I have passed away. Hypocrites and parasites, will come up and take a bite, And if night should turn to day, a lot of people would run away. I'm in the make no wish. I'm saying, hey. Big fish, big fish. Yeah. Man to man is so unjust. You don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you now, then behind them sus upon you now. Only a friend know your secret, so only he can reveal it. And who the cafe, let them wear it. Hey, come we go chant on Babylon one more time. Come we go chant on Babylon one more time. Come on, come on. Come we go chant on Babylon one more time. One minute. Cause them soft, yes them soft. Jah know, set them soft. So come we go chant on Babylon one more time. Here it is. Men should see their hopes and aspiration crumble in front of their face, and all of their wicked intention to destroy the human race. How I know, I know. A reggae music, come make me chant on Babylon with music. Hey, come we go chant on Babylon one more time. Come on, come we go chant on Babylon one more time. Hey, come we go chant on Babylon one more time. Here it is. For them soft, you know them soft. Come on and join with me, for we know them soft. Come we go chant on Babylon one more time. Hey, music yo, the key. Talk to me, please talk to me. Bring the voice of the Rasta man, communicating to each and everyone. How I know. A reggae music, come make we chant on Babylon with music. Come make we chant on Babylon with music. Come make we chant on Babylon reggae music. Hey, come we go chant on Babylon one more time. Join with me. Come we go chant on Babylon one more time. Hey, but I say come we go chant on Babylon one more time. Don't stop. Come we go chant on Babylon one more time. For I know, I do know, Jaja know, I know. Say a reggae music, I go chant on Babylon with music. Come make we chant on Babylon with music. Come make we chant on Babylon with music. Reggae music, chant on Babylon. Chant on Babylon, hey, chant on Babylon with a reggae music. Come make we chant on Babylon.
No set like rain. We don't want trouble.
Hey, we don't need no more trouble. Trouble we don't need. We don't need no more trouble. Hey, you hear me now? What we need is love to guide and protect us all. If you're up, look down from above. Help the weak if you are strong now. We don't need no trouble. We don't need no trouble. We don't need no trouble. We don't need trouble. We don't need no more trouble. Trouble we don't need. We don't need no more trouble. Listen here. What we need is respect to guide us on the way. Honor in every aspect, every time and every day. Everything is everything. Unity is strength. Don't bother with the killing. Loving your heart's content. We don't need no more trouble. Trouble we don't need. We don't need no more trouble. Hey, here it is. We don't need no trouble down. We don't need any trouble. We don't need any trouble. We don't need no trouble. We don't need no trouble. We don't need long time. We don't need no trouble down. We don't need no trouble. What we need is love to guide and protect us all. If you're up, look down from above. Help the weak if you are strong now. We don't need no more trouble.